friends. Okay, I'm already like hot and sweaty because we've been out on, or I have been out on the deck, lanai, I should say, doing a church call with all my church goers back at home. And they're mad that I was sitting on a lanai with palm trees and sunshine behind me, and they have snow outside their decks, right, Chelsea?
Yeah.
Yeah, all of our friends were very mad at me today for filming, or, you know, because it's just like a Zoom call, so they can see my background. I've already had a Marco Polo and a couple text messages like, why did you do that? And also, thank you for letting us see the sunshine.
I was like, thank you, but not thank you.
Right?
Like, why didn't you take me?
I know, right?
My teacher even asked, like, can I just hop in one of your bigger suitcases?
I know. Your teacher actually just sent me an email asking when you were coming back, because she misses you. But
oh, we got to see a turtle yesterday.
we did get to see a turtle yesterday.
People kept shouting, turtles, turtles, turtles.
I know. Would you want to go back to that bay, or do you want to just pick a new location? It's kind of fun to explore, right?
It's nice at that beach, but at the same time I want to go to a new beach.
A new beach.
Since that one had like nothing for a wave.
There's no waves. Well, you kind of either have to have good snorkeling or good boogie board waves. You can't have both, right?
Well, yeah, there was really good. It's a better snorkeling area since there's more like smaller patches of coral, so that there's more fish. I got to see a lot of fish in that little section. And all of a sudden, Mom like comes up and says, "Turtle, turtle, turtle!" And then she's like, and then she just shoves her face back in the water.
Yeah.
And I'm like, where?
Because
Dad kept
they swim right below you, and it kind of freaks you out because you're supposed to stay far away from them.
I waved to the turtle, and it waved back at me.
Oh yeah, it did a little flip.
Like,
yep. Yeah, so I was right over the top of it, and it was only like, you know, maybe 8 feet deep. And so I was like, I'm too close. You know, I need to get away from the turtle. But I was struggling to like get away from it. Anyway, it was fun yesterday. Today is Valentine's Day, so I have cute little Valentines that I brought with them, Aloha style. And Chelsea has seen them, but Abby and Ashley are on a little walk. Kaylee hasn't seen them, but she's in her room.
Yeah.
So we're just kind of having a lazy Sunday morning, but I think we're gonna head to the pool, right, Chelsea?
Yeah, Kaylee wanted to go too.
Kaylee wants to go to the pool. They're done with school. They kind of had the teenagers had a kind of a down day yesterday afternoon after we got back, and just needed to like chill and decompress from schoolwork. And so now I think they're ready to go for the day. So we're just gonna have a calm day because it's Sunday. Just kind of see how it goes. Maybe we'll go for a drive later this afternoon. And anyway, it'll be kind of fun.
We're doing tattoos. I already did 2. Wait, there's a perfect one.
She's did a little leaf and a little flower.
This one has.
And then I have a little mermaid wristband.
And me too.
Ashley does too.
And then she's right now doing one on her ankle.
So then I've got my ankle. Should we reveal it?
Yeah, I've done. There's the scissors.
Nice.
Whoa, and then I have
cool.
I have the biggest one. Where's the I have the biggest.
Yeah.
See yours. Let's do a reveal.
Okay, show them, Ash.
Wait.
It's like so much detail.
I love it.
And go.
No, take off the flowers. You can use those.
Okay, so we're doing tattoos, and Dad, tell them what type of tattoos you're doing.
I'm doing this to embarrass Kaylee because
We're gonna put some hula girls on his chest so that they can dance.
I don't
okay,
think.
we'll show you in a second.
Okay. Okay, I got this.
She's going this way, so then she's gonna go.
Wait, show them which ones we're
So
doing.
this should go this way.
No.
This should go here because this one's going to be pointing. She's going to be pointing this
I'm
way.
not even related to you guys. I'm not even related to you.
I'm doing this to embarrass the girls.
So how far down does it need to go? Like
I don't.
Just right there. Just okay.
Ready?
Okay, here's the reveal of what it looks like. Okay. Now for the second one. For the reveal.
You gotta come in closer.
Okay.
I don't know what you can see.
Okay, now make them dance.
There's a bunch of
living the dream here. Living the dream. Got your own little fruit.
I know. I'm like
laptop, and then you've got your own little helper here.
But she's cute. Look how cute she is.
I'm the cat.
She got dressed, showered, and I have a little dress on too. I'm so hot, so I had to just do dress today. But show me your little tattoos on your neck. They're all glittery.
Cute, cute.
Oh, the one on my leg didn't work out.
No, that one faded away.
It was 2 different brands, and we can tell which one we paid more money for is better quality. So I'm editing and eating lunch. Grapes.
Oh yeah, you can see mom's is fading.
Yeah, so you can see. Anyway. But we're having lunch. We're just trying to chill today. It is Sunday, so we're just trying to kind of keep it lower key. But we are gonna go out to.
Ashley, you're hilarious.
What?
You got.
I'm made.
She brushes your hair. She massages your feet.
Yep. Yeah.
I want to do hair. I do a lot of people's hair.
You're good at it.
Being a hairdresser when she grows up.
Yeah, you're good at it.
But then we're gonna go for a drive and go down to Lahaina again. We only kind of did like one little section of Lahaina, and we didn't even see the banyan trees except from the car. And then shave ice, right?
Yeah.
And maybe a little nibbly snack or something along the way. So I'm just editing, hanging out. I mean, if you've got
you're living the dream.
Put lotion on your feet, but I did her hair.
Yeah.
So anyway.
All right. See where we go.
Not a bad way to go. All my whole family. We did a family call for our Sunday church conversation. It was not a church meeting by any means. We had a church Zoom call this morning, but so we got to walk my family through the resort and down to the water, and my mom was like, I don't know if you should walk down to the ocean or not. It's going to make me too jealous. And anyway, so it was kind of fun to like sit on that call laying on the beach pool lounge and listen to that. And then all the girls came up to the room without Jason and I, and we were able to like lay on the chairs and then get in the pool by ourselves and have a mini Valentine's Day ourselves. We're not going to try and go out to dinner tonight, just the two of us, because it's going to be the restaurant capacity is already small to begin with.
I guess I can be in on this too.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't see anything. Here, wait. Isn't this what like YouTube people do?
I guess so. Look how red my nose is. Yeah, there's no point in trying.
I have sunglasses on.
In trying to get a restaurant reservation tonight, because it's already hard enough. And now it's Valentine's Day, so we'll go out another night.
Go out another time.
Yep.
I brought you to Hawaii for Valentine's.
I mean, really, I told you. I didn't want anything for my birthday or Valentine's Day. I just wanted to come.
Yeah.
And I knew we would.
The family.
We would go out to eat. Chelsea already wants to go back to Cheeseburger in Paradise.
Yeah, which is great, by the way. Cheeseburger in Paradise, really good.
Highly recommend it. It will go on our top 10, but it's only one restaurant we've been to.
It's like kid-friendly. It's
very cool atmosphere.
You can watch the whales out. I don't know what they call that. The canal, or not the canal. In the ocean.
The ocean versus
canal.
Well,
no, but there's like a gap between two islands, so I don't know. We always called it an inlet, but it's not an inlet. So it's just the ocean, whatever. The whales are there. But we'll show you where we go from here.
Yep.
After.
Everyone wants to chill.
Yeah, we're just we've already been up since 6 in the morning.
Yeah, so.
Which I like getting up early, so.
I've liked it too. I didn't get up as early as I wanted to today. I was too tired, but you know,
yep.
on Hawaii time.
Yep, Hawaii time.
Okay, I gotta edit. All right, so we rested and then got ready slowly, and everyone's kind of been doing their own thing. And now we're just gonna go for a drive, head back to Lahaina. I kind of got ready. We're not going out for like Valentine's. I don't think we're gonna be able to get in to eat anywhere, but.
Well, that could make eating anywhere.
Yeah, you know, we'll just kind of play it by ear. Maybe, it's only 3:30, so maybe we'll get in somewhere to grab a bite to eat.
It's only 3:30.
We'll be like the 5 o'clock old people crowd. But we're just gonna go and I don't know, just do something besides be in the water. I think we all need a little break in the water tonight, so let's kind of see. Also, you can see that I'm definitely burnt. There's a big streak right across the top here. You're talking over me. No, we didn't bring the drone, which is unfortunate, but it's really like dominantly like red. But I'm not putting foundation on. It's too hot. It's sweaty. Alright, so in case you don't know, this is the Banyan tree right in the heart of Lahaina. And from this one main trunk, all the rest of the trees are from the same tree. They're all interconnected. And they grew back down into the ground. I'm just going to circle around here. Every single one of these tree stumps is all connected to this first main one over there. It just goes around and around and around. Right, Chels? It goes all the way around, doesn't it?
Crazy.
Isn't this kind of cool? And if we listen carefully, Chels, can you hear those?
Birds.
Those are the right, like birds, but then there's dove. It gets even louder and the birds start going more and more crazy as the night goes on. So when we walk back to the car, we'll have to come back in here and listen to how it sounds. Are you hot or what's wrong?
I'm hot.
Yeah, you have just a simple dress on. Let it flow, girl.
It's not like a flowy dress, but to give it like big,
yeah. It's cute though. Can I get your picture, just you?
It's just like a sort of like my swimsuit.
Yeah. Can I get a picture?
Sure.
Okay.
That's right, trying to save the chicks.
Because normally...
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Aloha. Welcome to the Banyan tree. This is just one big old tree. 147 years old. The third most largest tree in the world. It was born in 1973 when it was just 8 feet tall. Where they had these limbs out there, now it's 60 feet tall. These vines are aerial roots. There's no taller than that tree. But aerial roots are very strong. They come down to the ground like they move there. And then in a 10-year time when they come right back up to go together. Miraculously to form a solid stump and continue going on. How awesome. All right.
All right. Thank you. How bad do you want to do this? Like you want, this is what you want to do?
Yeah, really bad.
Okay. You want to get your picture taken with Parrots?
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Are you going to be nice to it?
Yeah.
It's not going to eat. Okay.
You got it.
All right.
Come on. Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, Ashley, tell me about it. Was that everything you wanted it to be?
Yeah, my bird was just, I had to hold my bird, but it was like, was so cute. She wanted to just
It just
didn't even care that whenever I looked up, he was like,
But are you glad you did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool, huh? Was it eating Mom's hair?
Oh yeah, you were screaming.
Thank you very much. Everyone was making fun of me because I was screaming.
I was trying not to laugh.
It was like eating my hair. We couldn't film. All right, the battery died, but the parrot was sitting on my shoulder and eating my hair, and
It was just like,
but it was quite fun.
like, oh, the one.
Yes, it was.
on my
We couldn't
shoulder
film,
actually kinda
like I said, but then we got a little bit of a sneak peek at the end. So it was pretty cool. But you know what? Look at this. Sweat. This hair, now that I've taken photos, it's gonna get pulled up. can really tell how sunburned I am. So we are waiting for our pizza to get made. And we're gonna take it back to the room. And so we came out here to the shore. Upside down? I don't understand. And we see some whales out here. So we're gonna see if we can capture it on camera. Why don't we put them up here? Is that easier? All right. We got 2 large pizzas. Thank you, Jace.
Yep.
Oh, I'm stuck to my mask. We are gonna go back to the room and eat, and I clearly need to like wipe my face off.
Whoa! Look at this place.
What is that? What is it?
It's a very big wall.
Historic.
What'd she say?
It's a great big wall. Your little sass.
It's like a fort, man.
I don't know what it was.
It's like a fort.
Chelsea's done for the day. Like she's done being a tourist. She's done sightseeing. Oh dear. But anyway, we're gonna go back and eat this pizza because we're all very hungry, and hangry is starting to set in. So. Okay, here's our pizza. Everyone's already dived into this. So we're gonna have pizza and fruit, and Chelsea, you're making some corn because she's my vegetable girl. There's a cucumber in the fridge too.
I know.
We just don't have ranch. She's legit like conundrum. Last night she's like, we have a cucumber and we don't have ranch.
I know.
Right? Okay, why don't you say goodbye to everyone? You're such a goober. Yes, I want to go. We need to like open up. For some reason if you don't have our doors shut completely tight, it turns off the AC. And they're like the oldest slide. Like,
they just are broken.
Yeah. So anyway, we need to turn the fans on, open up the doors. We're gonna eat pizza while we all watch individual shows because we're tired.
Annoyed.
You're not annoyed. Come here, you goober. You have a good day with that. What was the highlight for you?
Swing.
The parrot on your head?
Oh, yeah.
That was pretty fun,
Sweet
huh?
Pea was the bird's name that sat on my head and my shoulder.
Yeah.
It actually kind of gave me a little kiss.
What was the name of the one that sat on my shoulder?
I don't know.
I don't
yours says
hers
was
Mai Tai?
The one
Yeah.
she was
What?
Mine was AJ. Yeah, it was
You're gonna want a tank top on, but not the one that was dirty. Okay? You're gonna get too hot in that. Anyway, oh, there's no light. All right.
Yeah, AJ was.
We're gonna go and we'll see you guys next time. Good night. Apparently we have
Why does this happen every time?
an emergency. We had this last night, but it didn't get to this point. I'm kind of hoping it's some teenager.
Attention. An emergency has been reported.
Get your mask. How come we came back in here?
Every time we go on vacation, it's raining out.
I know.
It's always happening.
I know. Hey, can I talk to Dad, please? We just had another fire alarm. We evacuated the building. Except it's raining outside, so we're sitting in the lobby. It's fine. Just be careful coming back because it might be crazy. Okay, bye. Bye. That sucks. People are just barely getting here. Imagine getting here during a fire alarm. Okay, it stopped raining, so we're gonna come out here where it's actually safe to be, right?
Wait.
Yep, there's still people coming out.
If we didn't know where the stairs were, we wouldn't know where to go.
I know, but everyone is kind of going to the same place, right?
Yeah, so we wouldn't know. Just like we wouldn't.
I know. We also wouldn't have known that they light the fire at night. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. Scarlet Addie. All right, it's a false alarm. We're going back in. I gotta stay with the girls. Well, I met my husband in the elevator. It was quite romantic. We got the elevator back from our Valentine hotel evacuation. Yeah. We saved the ice cream, right? Okay. Hopefully we won't have any more nighttime emergencies. Oh, I'm glad you did too, because it rained. Huber. Okay, say goodnight officially. We're done. Good night.